Hello children, good morning everyone. In today's session, we are going to discuss the question answer and other remaining exercise of this poem. In last session, we have discussed about a poem, Nobody's Friend. I have explained you that those children who do not share their things are nobody's friends, and those children who like to share their things with other children has many friends. So now let's discuss about question answer. Let's begin with question number 1. What are the things the girl does not want to share? I have explained you this poem yesterday. I have told you also that the girl does not want to share sweets, her books and her doll with anyone. So here we will write the same answer. The girl does not want to share sweets and her books. She also does not share her doll with anyone. Question number 2. Did the boy share his toffee and tricycle with others? Answer. The boy did not share his toffee and tricycle with others. जो पोयम में जो लड़का था जिसके बारे में पोएट बता रहे थे उसको अपनी चीज़ें किसी के साथ शेयर करनी अच्छी नहीं लगती थी. So here we will write the answer. The boy did not share his toffee and tricycle with others. Question number 3. Why are the two children nobody's friends? Here we will write the answer. The two children are nobody's friends because they do not share their things with anyone. कोई बच्चा अगर अपनी चीज़ किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करेगा तो वो किसी का फ्रेंड नहीं बन पाएगा. Just like two children in the poem about whom we have discussed yesterday. Question number 4. What does the child in the last stanza want to share? In the last stanza, we have discussed the child wants to share all the sweets, his ball, books, games and half of an apple and cake. लास्ट आंसर में पोएट ने बताया था कि एक ऐसा बच्चा था कि जो अपनी सब चीज़ें अपनी सारी चीज़ें सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहता था. कौन कौन सी चीज़ें थी? सो स्वीट, बॉल, बुक्स, गेम्स एंड इंक्लूडिंग हाफ ऑफ एन एप्पल एंड केक. Now next page number 132. There is one question that do you like to share your favorite food or toys with others? Why? अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि आपको अपनी फेवरेट फूड, अपनी फेवरेट चीज़ें, फेवरेट खिलौने सबके साथ शेयर करने अच्छे लगेंगे और हाँ कि ना तो क्यों नहीं अच्छे लगेंगे? So this is the disclaimer, means this is the sample answer children. You are advised to write these answers based on your own experience. ये जो आंसर है वो सबके डिफरेंट भी आ सकते हैं. जिसको अपनी चीज़ें शेयर करनी अच्छी लगेगी he will say yes, and who do not like to share his things with anyone else he will say no. So this is the sample answer based on your own experience. Here I have written yes, I like to share my favorite food or toys with others. I feel happy when I share my things with others. बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे भी होते हैं कि जिसको अपनी चीज़ें शेयर करते हैं जब वो बहुत ही हैप्पी फील करते हैं, वो बहुत खुश होते हैं, राइट? और ऐसा ही बनना चाहिए. Next question. Who is your best friend? Can you describe him or her? This is also the sample answer. You give this answer based on your observation and at your choice. My best friend is my sister. She is beautiful and tall. She always helps me in my homework. Now next question. Suppose you and your friends were very thirsty and there was only one glass of water, what would you do? मैं आपसे अगर ये क्वेश्चन पूछूं कि आप और आपके फ्रेंड दोनों ही बहुत ही थर्स्टी हो, मीन्स दोनों को बहुत प्यास लगी हो और आपके पास दोनों के बीच में होकर ओनली एक ही ग्लास पानी का होगा, तो आप क्या करेंगे? Now this answer is based on your own imaginative skill. Right here I have write this answer. If me and my friends would have been thirsty and if there was only one glass of water, I would share my glass of water with them. अगर मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड्स दोनों बहुत ही प्यासे होंगे और हमारे पास ओनली एक ही ग्लास पानी का होगा, तो मैं उसमें से आधा ग्लास पानी मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करूँगा. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. इफ़ यू हैड अ बैट, कुड यू प्ले क्रिकेट बाय योरसेल्फ? अगर मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कि आपके पास बैट होगा तो क्या आप अपने आप मीन्स आप अकेले क्रिकेट खेल पाओगे? सो यू विल ऑब्वियसली से इफ़ आई हैड अ बैट आई कुड नॉट प्ले क्रिकेट बाय माई सेल्फ. मैं अपने आप क्रिकेट नहीं खेल सकूँगा बिकॉज मिनिमम 2 प्लेयर्स तो क्रिकेट खेलने में ज़रूरी है. सो हियर यू कैन राइट आई कुड नॉट प्ले क्रिकेट बाय माई सेल्फ. Now next question, can you find more words ending with less? For example, friendless, homeless. So here we can write like useless, next heartless, and next jobless. Here 3 words I have written. Now next question, can you write the opposite of blank? Here land is given. Now we have to write the opposite form of land. So the opposite word of land is borrow. BORROW. Children, here first and last letter is already given. We have to write only middle letters BORROW, borrow. Now here we have to write the opposite form of nobody. Now the opposite of nobody is somebody. S is already given. Now we will write OMEBOD. Y is already given here. So we will write here somebody is the opposite form of nobody. Now next question. In this question we have to read these sentences and underline the no word in each. तो ये सेंटेंस जो है उसमें जहाँ पर भी नो वर्ड दिया हो उसके नीचे हमें अंडरलाइन करनी है. सो इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस वी विल अंडरलाइन nobody. Nobody is at home. Number 2, Ram has no book. Let's underline no. Number 3, can no one help him? Underline again no. Number 4, was Gopal nowhere around? So here underline nowhere. Number 5, none of the 2 boys came. Here we will underline at the first word of this sentence none. 6, there is nothing to do. Here we will underline nothing. Number 7, I have no coat. In this sentence we will underline no. 8th number, Radha is never late. So never is also refers with negative meaning. So we will underline never. Clear? So this question is over here. Now next and last question. Now write words that rhyme with. Here we have to write those words which rhymes with train. So here we will write brain, grain, and only gain. These words are rhyming words of train. Means it rhymes with train. Now next word is friend. Here we have to write those words which rhymes with friend. And, band and sand. So here we have completed the exercise of this poem Nobody's Friend. By this our poem and exercise is over. I hope you all understood it. Bye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.